In this tutorial, I'll be teaching what is do-while loop. Do-while loop is similar to while loop, but there's a slight difference. I'll show you what it is. Let me open my code blocks and let me write the boilerplate. Stream using namespace std int main return 0. So if you have seen my previous tutorial, I have shown how the while loop works. The while loop first checks the condition. So the while loop first checks the condition if the condition is true. Only if the condition is true, the body will get executed. That is what while loop is. Whereas in do while loop, the body gets executed first and then it checks the condition. That's the only difference between do while and while. I'll show you an example. First, I'll be writing a while loop so that you can understand how the while loop works and how it differs from a do while loop. Now, let me initialize int I is equal to, let me say, 10. Right. Now, let me say while uh, I is less than or equal to 50, int hello. Right. And I'll be incrementing I by 10 times. Alright. I plus equals 10. Alright, so it will be printing 4 times. Let me open my terminal. Let me compile it. So made. So the compilation is successful. Let me just run it, and you can see it has been printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So you can see how the while loop works. First, it will check I is equal to 10. Okay, it will first check the condition. Is 10 less than or equal to 50? Yes, it's true. So it will print it and it will increment. Now I will become 20. Then it will check is 20 is less than or equal to 50. It is true. So it will print. Now, if I say, let me say I is 60. Now 60 is less than or equal to 50, which is false. So this one should not execute. I'll show you. Let me just compile it again and let me run it. And you can see there's no output. So because the condition is false, it is not giving the output. Now when it comes to do while, the same problem I'll be doing in a do while. So the syntax of do while is first you have to write do, then you have to put the flower brackets, and this is what it will get printed. I'll just print the same thing. Hello, hello. Okay, and then and at the ending of the flower braces, you have to write while. Sorry for the title. While and put the condition which is I less than or equal to 50. You put a semicolon at the end. I'll just space it properly so you can see it. So the syntax of do while is first you have to write do, then put the flower braces and put the condition which has to execute, and then the while. So what happens in do while is, oh, okay, I didn't initialize what I is. Let me say int I is equal to, let me start with 10 first because that is what we did first. Okay, now what it will do is int I is equal to 10, so it will just, it won't care. First it will come here and execute the body which is hello once. Then let me just increment it. is equals to 10. Okay, it was then increment I to 20. So it will see if 20 is less than or equal to 50. And if it is true, it will execute this hello. And again, the loop keeps happening until this condition becomes false. The only difference between a while and do while is the body gets executed first in a do while loop, whereas in a while loop, the condition is first checked. If the condition is true, only then the body will get executed. So let me just run it. Let me compile it once and let me run it. And you can see it is getting executed. Now, now in the while loop, when I put I is equal to 60, you saw that nothing got executed. But in a do while loop, as I said, the body will get executed at least once. After that, it will check for the condition. So let me just compile and run it. You have to see hello only once. Let me just compile it and let me run it. And you can see hello, it's getting printed. As I've said, the body is getting executed once over here, and after that it is incrementing I, which is 70. So 70 is less than or equal to 50, which is false, so this will not get executed again. So this is the difference between a do while and the while loop. I hope you guys have understood this.